So I just opened I just opened this, and as we can see, 256x. Let's watch what this block reward comes out to, who gets it, and who the personal reward goes to. Because as you can see, everyone is activating everything right now. You know what? I might as well just... I'm going to activate one of each. Except for the bottom one. You know, we're going to up our chances a tiny bit. It's not going to do much, but this is going to be insane. Whoever gets this, 256x. I don't even know what to say. Like, you can't even read this. I don't know. Let's take a look at what that's going to be. Put in 61,977.6. That's $33,000. Someone is about to get a $33,000 reward block. 242. 242.1 times 256 equals 61,977.6 GoMining tokens, which equals $33,200. It went up a little bit. I could be wrong, but that's like a $20 block for, like, oh, here it is. Here it is. He just got 60,000 GoMining tokens. What are the chats saying? That's just insane. Alright, well, that's it for this one. Now we're back to 2x. Boring. No one's even feeling it. They just wasted all their GoMining tokens. Alright, well, we'll see it. We'll see for next week.